Hi everyone, welcome back. We haven't been able to do a lot of flying lately. I mean, the weather hasn't allowed us to. Anyways, we have an item that a lot of you might be interested in. It's called the Bigteddy. So stick around and we're going to check it out. Okay, here's a little product I found on Amazon. It's called the Bigteddy, and as you can see, it's like pocket size. You can just throw this in your pocket. This is definitely an item I think every drone owner should have. There's a lot of FPV pilots out there have all sorts of tools, but even people flying the GPS drones, you know, like the Mavic 2 or, you know, the Mavic Mini. You know, there's times where you need little tools, and this is the one to have. It's so compact. It's so cool. We'll just open her up here. Okay, as you can see in here, it's a whole bunch of tiny little screwdrivers. And I think they even have a tiny pair of tweezers here. They have a little plastic thing on there, you know, so this is good for you know, grabbing onto tiny things. You know, it's really cool. I really like this little set. I like the idea that it's tiny. You know, I can throw it in a drone bag or something, and you know, all I have is big screwdrivers, and recently I've been playing around with the Novice 1, this little drone here, and somehow I knocked the antenna off, and I need to take the screws off, get this hub off, and see if I can get that antenna back on. So finding this little, and I think this was only like $16. Which is a pretty good price, you know. Anyways, I'll just do a little demonstration of how they work. You know, they're all kind of hanging in here, and all you do is you just I guess you just lift it up, and it pops out. It's got like a little grooves here to hang in there, which is kind of cool. Now here, the tip of this is your little tool. It swivels, and this here should just unscrew. So you just kind of unscrew that, and whatever tip that you need to use that in, there's a little collet here. You just slide it in the collet, and you just screw it back together. Okay, and that's in there pretty firm, and you're ready to use it. You know, you can just turn it and unscrew whatever you're working on. I just thought, you know, this might be something a lot of people out there don't think of. I know when I first started getting drones, I never thought of getting any tools. You know, I have lots of my other tools, but I really didn't think I'd be taking screws out of anything on the drones, you know, or at least I guess that's what I was hoping to do. But you know, I found last year I had bought an extra camera for the Mavic 2 Pro, and the extra camera was the zoom camera I have here, and there's 6 screws I had to take out of here in order to replace this camera. And so I just purchased a single screwdriver just for this particular drone. But the advantage of this little set here is it doesn't have to be for any particular drone. It can be for all sorts of things. You know, you may need these little tools, these little screwdrivers here to tighten up your glasses. You may have to take something apart on your phone. It's just a handy little set. And I know there's a lot of other drones out there that are very similar to the Mini here, and that was one thing I didn't like with the Mini. The props, they actually screw on. Mind you, they do give you a little screwdriver, but just in case for some reason you do lose that screwdriver, this is a handy little set to have. So anyways, I just thought I'd share that today, and I'll try and put a link in the description below where you can get this on Amazon. I just found this really cool, and I thought I'd share it with you guys today. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.